And this meeting is being recorded. Okay. And then, so first of all, this webinar is about ScaleUp Digitize. It's a cooperation between Huawei, especially about Huawei Cloud, and the Ministry of Economy. So there this webinar, our first session, my colleague Ms. Sana will introduce what is Huawei Cloud and what is cloud service, how cloud service will accelerate your business growth. So, and then I will give the floor to Ms. Sana.
Thank you, everyone. Thanks for joining in.
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes, okay. Just hold on, I'm just checking my slide. Okay, so let me just introduce myself. My name is Sana. I manage Huawei Cloud Technology Ecosystem. I look after the Gulf, Middle East, the complete of Middle East, including Saudi, Kuwait, Pakistan, Dubai, Qatar. We develop the whole ecosystem along with the industry partners, SMEs. So that's pretty much what I do. I also provide help to how to grow with cloud and how to use Huawei Marketplace, which is our global initiative. So let me just get you some more introduction on how we are doing in different markets. So Huawei Cloud is one of the biggest player in China market. We have got at least 10 awards in that industry, working with financial sector industries, telecommunications. We have the footprint of 80% of top 50 internet customers in Middle East. We are the third fastest growing from the last 3 years from where we started, and we are still growing because of our penetration in this market, along with our different projects, government, industry, and local projects with the industry partners. So this is a very brief about it. We also have started a couple of programs how to develop new industry partners, and we work closely with their technologies aligned with the Huawei Cloud. So in general, we do not just sell the cloud services. What we do is we provide the whole transformation vision, which introduce different partners to come together on our platform and start building and start integrating and fusing the right use cases for their long-term goals. Having said that, I want to also introduce some of the regions where we're present. In Abu Dhabi, we have our own local data center. We are happy to now introduce another 2 more regional data centers coming at the end of this year and next, by the start of next year in Saudi, Kuwait, and Pakistan. So we are having different country-specific strategy as well as we go further. Currently, we are present in 27 regions and 170 plus countries we are focusing on. So different countries, we have different strategy as per their government, as per their industry, as per their big enterprise clouds and the local industry. So Huawei is very dynamic and we grow according to the needs of local consumer base. A very short snapshot of what to expect from Huawei, Huawei Cloud. Those of you who have already been introduced to different clouds like Microsoft, AWS. So we are pretty much almost the same. We have the all the services. We also have got the same sort of services like from compute, storage, networking, databases, security solutions. We also have developed our own enterprise intelligence platform, which helps you to build your ongoing and transformation goals. For example, AI development, for example, VR integration, special services for campuses, hospital, oil and gas. All of these services are embedded in our cloud using our interactive platforms, included as well as LLPs. So, GUI-based platforms already infused, working with different, integrating with different use cases. Also, if you see at the top, we have at least now it's more than 3,000 plus. So there are 3,000 plus marketplace applications that are running now with Huawei Cloud, which have been integrated either on the compute side of it, or they are integrated with the enterprise intelligence. So as you see that, it's a big portfolio that we are catering, also providing different services. Again, as like I said, that from China, we have got like 10 plus awards just to be in the leader. And just to emphasize again that we are the third fastest growing in the Middle East. Let me just now tell you what transformation we are doing in the region. So it's not just like I said, that it's not just like you are selling some services and compute and databases and we just provide, okay, this is the cost for XYZ service and use our cloud. No. So Huawei has a very strategic focus on how to evolve different industries. Let's say retail, let's say telecommunication, oil and gas, logistics, management, hospitality and hospitals. Then we have office management, which is linked to enterprise. All enterprise solutions we cover. So just to give you a brief intro, that under retail, we have solutions like transformation for the manless shopping centers. Okay, so we have different partners working with us to provide application who have integrated their application and devices with Huawei Cloud, and we have some current references working in the Middle East, also in Singapore market, how to just go about a complete manless environment and experience using the 2-3 vendor partners, and then provide the solution on top of Huawei Cloud. Not only this, we also cover the e-com part under retail. We also cover the shopping, seamless shopping experiences under digital retail. So this is just a brief overview of like how retail is transforming on Huawei Cloud currently. Then we also have solutions like education. So we have amazing use cases coming from different markets, for example, Saudi, Pakistan, Kuwait, where people are looking for the automation of this whole LMS sector, how to introduce the paperless environment for the schools, universities, how to manage, how to manage the interaction of students with the staff and with the teachers. So the whole interaction manless platform, paperless platform is being available under a school management solution and LMS solutions. So this is also part of our Huawei Cloud offering under education. Now, when it comes to enterprise, we have very specific use cases where we are targeting the SME market. When I say SME market, yes, I mean competing with Microsoft directly in this market. So we have got our offers, which provides you the office management tools, Word files, how to edit your files, how to document, how to save them. I mean, the Drive solutions are available, email solutions are available. At obviously at the cost which is very competitive as compared to Microsoft. So merging your enterprise requirements with Huawei Cloud is pretty easier because we have got you covered here. So this is very interesting use case for the enterprise market. Then we also have got some collaboration tools where you can intuitively work with your peers, calling them, getting calls, sharing, working on different projects collectively, project management. All of these things are being available under enterprise solutions sector, which again, as I said, that is very competitive when we go and talk about Microsoft. So this is the industry that Huawei is focusing very, very clearly. So we know which are the where are our clients and what are their challenges. So we have got some good attraction here. We also have got good ERP clients. This marking again, we are catering the whole of Middle East. So ERP solution, whether it's HR, finance, sales management, all of these solutions are covered under one ERP solution, which can, by the way, can be integrated your CRM and office management tools. So it's all one one-to-one platform which you can have. Logistics, since it's changing now since COVID, so we also focused on this industry. It's very important how to make, you know, all the businesses have turned digital. Most of these shopping experiences moved from shops to homes, so it's very important to transform the technology as well. So we used to have a different one-to-one platforms, but now we have targeted on to go to B2B and B2C platforms. So here we also have some offerings under logistics platform, which enables the connectivity between the delivery companies, between the vendor companies and vendor to customer companies, like, you know, drop shipping, takeaway, pickup, etc. So all of these things have been automated, and these offerings are also being part of Huawei Cloud. So like I said, that, you know, there are many more use cases. These are just few to introduce to you, to show you the capability of how we see cloud and how we are transforming cloud. For us, it's more of like business specific. It's not really on selling focus or, you know, selling more infrastructure. So we are focused on working on these specialized use cases that helps the end user or helps the industry. So if you have any questions on this, you can ask me.
Thank you, Sana. So actually, in the end, we have a specific Q&A session.
Sure.
So if you have if you have any questions, please feel free to ask them. So then, please come. We will come to our second part. As you have already know, like what is Huawei Cloud Service and how cloud service can grow your business, and then it comes to our program. So what is our program and how you can fill up and benefit from this program? So let's welcome our next speaker, Mr. Frank, our Huawei Cloud Middle East Ecosystem Manager, to introduce the ScaleUp program benefits and how to fill up this application form. I will give the floor to Frank. Yes. Frank, I think you mute yourself. We cannot hear you, Frank. You mute. No, we cannot hear you.
Oh, now?
Yes, now it's better.
Okay. So now I'm glad to share our ScaleUp program benefits to you. And in the program, so we provide three main benefits. The first one is Huawei Cloud training and vouchers, value add up to 60,000 dirhams. And so there are three different levels. So it depends on what's your company's cloud consumption. And the second benefit is Huawei Cloud. You can use this Huawei Cloud vouchers to purchase the Huawei Cloud computing, cloud storage, cloud network, and cloud database services. And the main part is the hands-on training for Huawei Cloud technology, AI, and big data. So if you haven't registered in this program, so you can scan the QR code on the screen to register this program. And now I'd like to introduce how to fill out the application form. So first, when you enter our website, so you need to register first. So here is an example. So you need to fill your name, your email address, and set your password and select your Emirate, and then select the ScaleUp program. And then you can see our application form. So there's some simple questions. You just need to fill your name, your email, your phone number, and like this, your fluency in English. And like because we provide a course, so you need to choose whether you're available to attend our course on Tuesday and Thursday from 4:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. And following some simple question like your business name and your role in your business and your business sector. And in the question 11, so you need to describe your business briefly. So you don't need to write too much. You just simply describe your company, like what's your business doing is fine. And then if you have your company website, so you can mention your company website here at question 12. And if you don't have your website, you can just mention NA. Okay, and then like question 13, is your business located in UAE? And 14, and if your company is not located in UAE, so please specify your business location. Okay, and the following are some simple questions. You can just choose the right one based on your company situation. And then we can see on question 21, how much total funding do you get? So if you got funding, so you can mention the amount here. And if you didn't get any funding, so you can just mention NA or 0 is fine. And following some simple questions, just choose the one that belong to your company.
Excuse me, Frank.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. When you say funding, which funding you're referring to?
This funding you can get like from yourself or from like the investors. So everything is fine.
But here there's no option of NA, either 1, 2, 3, or more than 3. That's what I can see here.
You mean question 21 or 22?
20.
20. So then you can mention number 1.
No, if there is no funding done, if it is self-funded, then what do we mention?
But
let
in this,
me jump in here, Frank. Okay, Mr. Shahid, so you can for question 20 select 1, and then at the question 21 just mention NA.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
oh, thank you. Okay, and in the question 22, if you don't have any funding, you can mention others here. And then in the question 27, how much cloud consumption you have per month. So this one, it depends on your company cloud consumption. So you can, if you don't know, you can ask your company technical team or the one who in charge this part, then you can get some information about what is the cloud consumption. Then you can choose the one that's your company belongs. Okay, in the next couple of questions. So 28, 29, you need to upload files that's your business plan or business models. So this one is actually not mandatory. So you can just make it simple. And if you don't have a very detailed business plan, so you can just write a Word file to simply describe your plan and your business model is fine. Because if you pass the basic requirements of the program, so we will have an interview. So that's why we can discuss more about your business plan and business model. And in the question 30 is important. So do you agree that MOE shares your details with Huawei to check if your SME is eligible for the ScaleUp program? So if you choose no, then your information won't share with Huawei. So if you want to join this program, so you could choose yes. And in the question 31, so this one, why would you like to join this program? You just write, so what kind of parts of this program attract you? It's fine. Okay, and this is the whole application form. And if you have any other questions, so we can answer these questions at the last part of our Q&A. And now we'd like to invite our partner, OneOffice. And now please welcome our partner, OneOffice General Manager, Mr. Nasser.
Thank you, Frank.
Thank you, Nasser.
Do you see my screen?
No, we don't. We have a screen to share.
Yep. You see it now?
No, we only see.
Okay, 1 second.
Yes, we can see the
Yes.
screen.
No? Yeah. Good morning, everyone. This is Nasser from OneOffice. I'll talk about two things. I'll give you a little bit of overview on OneOffice. Second, how our business grow after cooperating with Huawei. Actually, OneOffice is a productive platform. It's empower productive teams. Why we choose OneOffice? Because OneOffice have three important things. It's a secure platform and complete and easy to use for the teams and employee. And last one is cost effective, because you don't need to technology service technician for IT. All models you need. It's be modern and organization. Last technology like speed, performance. Best in the class for the security, because it's end-to-end encryption. Real-time cooperation and sharing, like the Teams and Zooms and the same OneOffice. Actually, it have mobile and desktop application. The main features for the OneOffice, it's had the full productive Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Visio, real cooperation in the same time, email, calendar, contacts, forms, and full secure. And our business actually, after cooperating with Huawei, Huawei is a powerful business tool, pooling offered and experts of different organizations through proactive, innovate, and grow. Financially, collaboration help boost sales in the new markets, even enable similar companies to tender for large contracts. Opportunity sharing resource lead to cost efficiency. Actually, that's it. And I'd like to excuse my English because I plan to present this presentation in Arabic, but last time they told me it must be in English. So excuse my English. If you have any questions, you can feel free to ask me.
Thank you, Mr. Nasser. Okay, so next we come to our Q&A session. So for all the participants, if you have any questions, please feel free to unmute yourself and just ask the question.
Thank you very much, Mr. Nasser. It was a very, very good presentation. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I have a couple of questions, if you can help me with. See, as a business owner, any company would be concerned about the privacy and the security of the data. What I see from the presentation, what Huawei is offering, you are offering a complete ecosystem wherein we can move our complete business operation in terms of data management, in terms of your IT software. So everything can be moved onto your cloud. Hello, can you hear me?
So, say it again, sorry.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
Okay, my question is, we will be working on a lot of data transferred onto your servers. We'll be part of your ecosystem. Could you please help me to understand a bit more on the security of the data? For example, these days it's nothing secret, it's an open secret that even the conversations what we have on the phone with somebody of certain product, you will see an ad popping up on the Facebook or on your phone within few minutes. So there are so many smart, intelligent algorithms which are running on the background. The privacy is already encroached by various, social media companies. I want to know from Huawei how secure is our data and what will happen to our data which is there on your servers.
Actually, this question for Huawei, they can answer. They answer the question.
Yes.
Yes, this is Sana here. Can you hear me?
Yes, Sana, please come in. Yeah.
Okay, so I partially heard your question because I was just jumping from one earphone to other. Sorry.
If you want, I can repeat my question.
Yeah, it was regarding security, right? Yes. How secure will be your data when you move to Huawei Cloud? That was your question, if I heard correctly. Okay, so basically, like I introduced as well that we have in region we have our own local data center that is compliant with the government of UAE. All the certifications. I mean, we are compliant as per any other cloud vendor, but since we have our own local data center, which means that UAE's data is within these boundaries. As far as other countries are concerned, we have two propositions. Either they can put their DRs on Huawei Cloud and keep their data on-prem, for example, for the financial sector. We have also a proposition to put their dev and DR on Huawei Cloud Public, which is in Abu Dhabi, and keep other customer data inside their own country. Second option is we also have on-prem composition, so they can also buy HCS, but this is a very expensive one. This only buys from the government companies, like government entities and financial entities. So these are the two options. But otherwise, we can go a hybrid model as well. We can go for very sensitive data, we can go into a hybrid or completely on-prem. And for the other part, which we can move to cloud, if it's coming from other country, then we can go about it. But within the UAE, there is no issue because we have to be compliant because government's data is also running on Huawei Cloud Abu Dhabi. So if that answers the question.
Yes, Ms. Anna, thank you for clarifying. That's wonderful. Now, my next question would be with regards to, enrolling to this. I saw a link wherein we can go and, enroll ourselves, putting all the information. When can we be part of this ecosystem? I also see that you have vouchers for 60,000 to be distributed. So how and when we can get live this system? Because if I can explain you a little bit about our business, we are a SME, completely Abu Dhabi based. We are into oil and gas sector, plus infrastructure sector as well. We provide solutions in terms of products and services, catering to the needs of ad hoc EPC contractors and various industrial segments in UAE as well as in the Middle East. So we are a team of 20 people, all technocrats, engineers, and then we have an ERP system. Plus, we also use G Suite, premium email system. Currently, we are using G Suite as well as we have 2 ERP systems running used by our team. So with this ERP comprises of complete HR, payroll, sales, accounts, finance, logistics, CRM and FM as well. So it is a complete package what we have got it custom made developed for our business needs. So having this kind of organization, can we be part of your ecosystem? And how and when can go ahead with this program?
So thank you, sir. So we so today's Q&A part. So we'd like to mainly talk about this ScaleUp program. So if you have any other requirements about partnership, so maybe we can talk about this after the program or in the future.
No, it's not about the partnership. We want to start using, let's say, if we want to enroll to Huawei's program.
So you mean how could you join this program?
Yes. Yeah.
So have you registered and filled the application form?
No, we just saw that link today. We are going to do that. So once that is done, that's where it all starts with.
So yeah, first you just fill your application form. So that's pretty easy. First you register and then fill out the registration form, and then we would arrange an online interview with you, and then we can discuss more about the details.
Yeah, we already had the interview last week.
Okay, I got it. So then after you pass the interview phase, so there will be a training session. So it's coming soon. And then we will contact you to talk about the details. So how could you use the vouchers and how would you use the Huawei Cloud services?
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you. No problem. And so does anyone has any other questions?
Hi, hello, good morning. Yeah, thank you for all the sharing that you guys did just now. Yeah, I just have one question. Like for the ScaleUp Digitize, like what's the timeline for this course?
Oh, thank you, Jake. So the course is hosted every Tuesday and Thursday at 4:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. So each time is 2 hours, and it will last about 1 month. So if you want to join this program, so you need to make sure that your company employee has the time at that period to join our training program.
Oh, okay, all right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, any more questions? Okay, if no more questions, then we will finish today's webinar. So please feel free to register the program on the in the chat box. Adiba just sharing the application link. So please feel free to register your company and to join Huawei's program. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.